YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Alright, today I decided to try a technique I've seen trending on TikTok that's using of eyeshadow. These are two eyeshadow palettes actually, and I'm going to use a beauty blender. Yeah, a dry one, not a damp one. Yeah, a dried one that has been trending on TikTok for a while, so I was like, okay, let me try it and see how it's gonna look like. And then this is a concealer. Yeah, at least I need a base that will help me hold my eyeshadow. So I'm starting off with the concealer. Yeah, I'm putting it on the eyelid because basically most of this procedure or method is going to be more around the eyelid, but meanwhile it's advisable to always have a primer, like something to hold your eyeshadows before, and then give it a vibrant feel as well. So I'm just blending it in with a flat brush, you understand, just to kind of blend in the hash line. Yes, please, if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Click the subscription button. I build content around beauty, lifestyle, makeup. I vlog also, and then let's just catch some DIY lifestyle cruise here, okay? Please, and returning subscribers, I always appreciate you people. It means a lot to you coming back to watch my videos. So after blending in the concealer, it's now looking cleaner, nicer, neater, obviously. So I'm picking a golden shade from this palette. Yeah, and this Juvia palette actually, can you see, it's actually a dry beauty blender. Yeah, some people I saw on TikTok, they use bigger ones, but I think I prefer using the smaller one. Yes, I'm just laying it on top of the eyelid, gradually just pressing it onto it. For me, I feel the smaller beauty blender is much more flexible and goes in there easily, because the big one you have to really pinch it. So I prefer this one actually. So whatever I do with one eye, I'm obviously going to do with the other eye as well. So I'm just dabbing the beauty blender, like after taking it out, after taking some of the eyeshadow obviously, and then I'm dabbing it on the eyelid. It's actually looking cool. Can you see? But come to think of it, when you buy eyeshadows, actually that little stick on it for the application stick is actually foamy kind of, you know. So I just feel that this is just a much more upgraded version of that procedure. Can you see it? Can you see? Can you say? Yeah, I'm just still going over it again to just give it a much more, to make it more obvious. Yeah, it's already obvious, right? Just give it a more even feel. So afterwards, I'm cleaning the beauty blender on the towel. Yeah, cleaning it just to take off the golden, because I'm going to dab it into the single black palette. That's, I have this one eyeshadow palette, black. Yeah, so I'm going to dab it. I want to actually create a smoky eye feel, something like that. So I'm just putting the black in the corner. I just like to use black straight up. Yeah. So can you see what I'm doing? Just dabbing to give the smoky feel. Yeah, can you see? You see what I'm doing? Golden smoky eye. So whatever I do on this eye, I also repeat the procedure on the second eye. So I'm taking a blending brush, yeah, and then from the Juvia palette, I'm taking kind of orange color shade, and then I'm blending in. You know, one thing, even though it's the foam I used to apply the eyeshadow, it still kind of had this hash line kind of thing. And aside from that, transitional colors are necessary to make your eyeshadow pop. Like, you know, that when you have the transitional colors on your crease and then going down to your eyelid, it has this special aesthetic. Of course, that's why it's makeup. So blending, I took an eyeshadow blending brush again that does not have any product in it this time around, to just blend the transition color I just added. I hope what I just said made sense, because if there's anything you want or you do not want, I mean, in your application of makeup, is hash line. So now I'm just doing an eyeliner. So eyeliner is not really my thing, but I just decided to do it. Yeah, just to add a little bit of presence to the eye, because I'm not going to use false lashes. Yes, I'm going to use false lashes. So just doing the same thing I did on the eye, on the upper part of the eye, to the bottom lash as well. Yeah, just to give it a seamless look, like look-alike look, of course. So that's exactly what I'm doing. So just smoking it also underneath, gradually. So I'm also taking the black eyeshadow to apply on the eye line. Do you understand? More like the eyeliner kind of feel. Yeah, it's black, and I love this eyeshadow because it doesn't fall out. Honestly, I really love this one palette eyeshadow. It does not fall, so I used a lot for my under eye. Yeah, can you see my smoky eyes? And then there's something I noticed using the beauty blender kind of cuts off time, because with the eyeshadow brush you tend to even have more fallout, especially when the eyeshadow is very powdery. Like, you know, in some cases you see some technique where they even ask you to kind of wet the brush, like, or not wet the brush per se, like say dampen the brush. Yes, maybe spray a beauty spray on it, yeah, or yeah, something like that. So as I told you earlier, I'm not going to use false lashes, so I'm going to use the mascara, yeah, just to pop the lashes. Can you see my eyeshadow look already coming together? Because if it's not really a serious occasion, to be honest with you, I don't really do false lashes. But if you want to do false lashes, feel free to do false lashes. I have nothing against it. I use it too as well, but as I said, this was just a casual kind of eyeshadow look I was just carrying, nothing too serious. Yeah, whatever I do on this eye, I repeat on the other eye. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos if you can, so that the algorithm will notice. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just trying to do a little bit of mascara too on the bottom lash, just to give it that vibrant look kind of. You know, the eye makeup is something that is easily noticed. Yeah, so it needs to be given the attention it deserves. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Returning subscribers, thank you. So this is it. Yeah. Thank you, and see you in another video. Bye.